Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Edge Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Then operate all of those options at the top to pick all of your files you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. You can input this key here and tap on Receive, or scan the QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide, closing an ad, allowing camera access and pointing your camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!